Hey Planty people, thank you for clicking on this video. My name is Sonia and this is Majestical Plants. With the 4th of July around the corner, I thought, why not bring a little holiday spirit into the plant room? Today we're celebrating with plants that unintentionally fits the red, white, and blue theme, and calling out the ones that are clearly not into independence. The 4th of July is about more than fireworks. It's about reflection, freedom, and growth. And honestly, that's what caring for plants teaches me too. Some grow wild and free, and some need a little more attention to flourish. Let's get into it. Let's begin with the red queens. These plants bring all the drama, the fun kind. And that red, it's bold, passionate, full of life, just like the spirit behind this holiday. Ruby Cascade may not scream red from across the room, but look closer. Those trailing stems and the back of her leaves have a rich, moody burgundy color. Some plants wave flags. Others let their colors fall like velvet. Peperomia Ruby Cascade, a quiet cascade of contrast. With jewel-toned stems and trailing vines, it's the understatement firework of the foliage world. It doesn't climb, it flows. A symbol of softened strength and the freedom to grow in your own direction. Let your plants tell the story of color, courage, and quiet celebration. Prince of Orange? She's not just red, she's a whole revolution. Her leaves emerge in fiery tones that shift through sunset before setting into green. That transformation? It's powerful. She reminds me that growth is constant and sometimes is loud and beautiful. The Prince of Orange is a living firework of colors. Each leaf bursts into the scene of bright orange, then fades into this rich green like a memory of celebration. It doesn't climb, it doesn't trail, it stands in ground, a self-heading symbol of strength and transformation. From sunrise orange to sunset green, it's a reminder that freedom isn't static, it evolves, leaf by leaf. Let your plant tell the story of color, courage, and quiet revolution. And then there's Syngonium Red Arrow. That burgundy back, that dramatic shape. She's giving mysterious cousins at the cookout, and I respect that. She's not loud, but she demands your attention. Just like stories of quiet strength in history often do. Not all red shout, some smother. Syngonium Red Arrow, a quiet fire in the foliage world, with velvet leaves and a rebellious streak. It's the boldest red you didn't see coming. Some red blaze like fires, others burn slow, deep, steadily, unforgettable. She is a symbol of growth, protection, and quiet power. In ancient lore, its arrow-shaped leaves pointed toward clarity, courage, and direction. Next are the soft, calm ones, the whites, the creams. They don't shout, but they stand for something real. White represents clarity, new beginning, peace. What so many fought for and what we still strive to preserve. The flower of the ghost. Every new leaf is like a little surprise. Will it stay creamy? Will it fade? Who knows? But she's sensitive, a little temperamental. Some spirits hunt the past. This one climbs towards the future. A rare beauty with leaves that emerge white as moonlight, then deepen into rich green like a story unfolding. It's bold, it's mysterious, and it's rooted in freedom, just like the fourth. It doesn't demand attention, it earns it, a symbol of transformation, resilience, and quiet power. Not every celebration needs fireworks. Some just need a little shimmer. Pearls and jade pothos, a quiet cascade of color like stars scattered across the leaf sky. She's not loud. She doesn't climb fast, but she shows up with grace. Every leaf, a whisper of freedom. Not every celebration needs a bang. Some just need a little shimmer. Pearls and jade, a quiet cascade of color, delicate and deliberate. Each leaf, a brushstroke of calm in a world of noise. She doesn't shout for attention. She whispers elegance, a symbol of balance, grace, and quiet strength. This 4th of July, let your plants wave their own flag. Not with fireworks, but with foliage. She doesn't climb, she reigns. Meet the philodendron white princess, the regal heart of your Independence Day lineup. With creamy twist streaks and a self-standing stance, she's grace, strength, and quiet confidence wrapped in foliage. She doesn't just grow, she commands the room. With every white streaked leaf, the white princess brings grace to the garden and power to the plant shelf. Together, they're not just red, white, and blue, they're bold, bright, and beautifully free. She's not just a plant, she's a proclamation. Philodendron white princess stands tall with creamy white streaks like painted declaration of grace. Freedom never looked this graceful. This 4th of July, while others sparkle, she glows. Quietly bold, unapologetically refined. Time to cool down with the silver and blue tones. Blue isn't just pretty, it's symbolic. Symbol of loyalty, of reflection, of perseverance through every season. Sansevieria, Sansevieria, she's a new arrival. She's adjusting. Some days she perks up. Some days she gives me the side eye. I'm letting her get comfortable. New environments are hard. Growth takes grace. She is also known as the metallic snake plant. She stands tall with sleek silvery green blades like a moonlit flagpole of quiet resilience. Moonshine, she's been so giving. I chopped her and propped her pup so many times that I cannot even count. Put her near the light and she glows like a ghost. Quiet strength, generous nature. She reminds me of the people who give without needing recognition. The Moonshine is known for being resilient and independent. It thrives with little care, just like the spirit of 4th of July. With a glow as calm as moonlight, Sansevieria Moonshine stands tall, resilient, elegant, and proudly independent. She is low maintenance, high spirit. It doesn't shout, it radiates. While others burst onto the scene, this one arrives with quiet cool. Cebu Blue Poto, a tropical vine with a cool collective spirit. Native to the Philippines, it climbs or cascades with quiet grace. She may look delicate, but she's a plant of quiet determination. Whether climbing or trading, she's all about momentum and movement, like freedom itself. There's something about these leaves that feel peaceful and nostalgic, like watching fireworks with your feet in the grass. Not all stars sparkle in the sky. Some trail from your window shield. Cebu Blue has the color that whispers independence and a vibe that says fashionably free. This one's the quiet rebel of the plant world. Fireworks? Check. Freedom? Absolutely. Let's talk about foliage. Meet a medium silver, our botanical tribute to independence, with icy silvery blue leaves and a glow that rivals the night sky. It's the cool tone icon your plant shelf didn't know it needed. It climbs, it shines, it defies exceptions, just like the spirit of July 4th. While the skies light up in red and gold, this one's glowing in silver blue, cool, calm, and climbing. Nicknamed the Spider-Man Monstera, it's got that webby texture and superhero confidence, minus the drama. A quiet rebel that roots in the tropical and a shimmer that says, I'm not like the others. This Independence Day, let your plant speak your style, bold, bright, and beautifully unexpected. So I asked myself, who's living the best independent life? And who's practically texting me daily? Let's break it down. But in all honesty, isn't that what freedom is all about? The ability to grow however you need to grow. Some plants thrive with space, others need care, and neither one is wrong. My independent queens, Sansevieria Moonlight, Sansevieria Sayuri, my Cebu Blue, my Ruby Cascade, and my Philodendron Prince of Orange. Oh, and my codependent chaos. You know the types, always needing something, always leaning just a little too hard. These are the guests at the barbecue who can't make their own plate and ask someone else to help them make it for them. We love them, but we see them. The Florida Ghost, the Marble Queen, and yes, the New Guinea Ghost. My Dracaena Sansevieria Moonshine is like, leave me in peace and I'll give you a few new pups. The Florida Ghost, she has climbing requirements. The marble queen, she wants attention, but only on her terms. And the new guinea ghost, oh my, she's not red, but she is the definition of emotional high maintenance. But I love them all. Their growth teaches me patience, understanding, and flexibility, which honestly feels pretty close to the roots of freedom itself. Whether your plants are thriving solo or need extra love, they each bring something special. Independence, codependence, or just plain confusion. It's all part of the journey. And honestly, that's what we're celebrating today. The freedom to grow, to be nurtured, to find our way, and to be beautifully different while doing it. Thank you for celebrating this Planty 4th of July with me. I'm Sonia. This is Majestical Plants. I'll see you in the next one. If you enjoyed the celebration of red, white, and bloom, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and drop a comment telling me which plant made you smile today. Happy 4th of July, my friends. I will see you in the next one. Have a majestical and blessed day.